The 2025 Honda HR-V is here, and it's redefining what a compact SUV can be. With a bold new design, enhanced technology, and improved performance, this latest model is built for those who seek versatility without compromising style. The front fascia features a sleek, modern grille paired with sharp LED headlights, giving it a more aggressive stance. Its sculpted body lines and refined aerodynamics not only improve aesthetics but also enhance fuel efficiency. Honda has also equipped the HR-V with stylish alloy wheels and a redesigned rear end, making it stand out on the road. Whether you're navigating city streets or heading out on an adventure, the 2025 HR-V promises a confident and stylish drive. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious, high-tech interior that elevates comfort and convenience. Honda has upgraded the cabin with premium materials, offering soft-touch surfaces and refined stitching that create a sophisticated feel. The 9-inch infotainment display is the centerpiece, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone connectivity. A digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving information, while the available Bose premium audio system delivers an immersive sound experience. With dual-zone climate control, a panoramic sunroof, and heated front seats, the HR-V ensures that every drive is comfortable. Plus, Honda has maximized cargo space with its signature Magic Seat feature, allowing for multiple seating and storage configurations to suit your lifestyle. Under the hood, the 2025 HR-V is powered by a refined 2.0-liter IVTEC engine, delivering a balance of power and efficiency. Paired with a CVT transmission, it provides smooth acceleration and responsive handling. The available real-time AWD with intelligent control system enhances traction and stability, making it a great choice for all road conditions. Honda's engineering ensures a quiet and composed ride, with improved suspension tuning for better handling. Fuel economy has also been optimized, making the HR-V a practical option for daily commuting and long road trips alike. Whether you're cruising through the city or exploring new terrains, this SUV delivers a driving experience that feels effortless yet engaging. Safety remains a top priority, and Honda has equipped the HR-V with the latest Honda Sensing suite of driver assist technologies. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking provide extra confidence behind the wheel. The 360-degree camera system enhances visibility, making parking and maneuvering easier than ever. In addition, the HR-V comes with blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking to help prevent accidents. With its 5-star safety rating and advanced protective features, this compact SUV ensures peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. The 2025 Honda HR-V is the perfect blend of style, technology, performance, and safety, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable and modern SUV. Stay tuned to Export Car for more reviews, test drives, and the latest updates in the automotive world.